Seriously, we're running out of room to put this crap, man. You know it's bad when Minnesotans are complaining about winter. It just needs to be over. There's no more room to put anything. And NASCAR.
30 seconds. Get me out.
Just like a hot dog off a bun. God. Blaine's all pissed at Spencer because Spencer came from the other way and Blaine almost got stuck. Now we're stuck. Spencer just gave me the laugh and the point at Blaine. He knows he fucked up but don't care. Look at him. Look at his face. He knows.
Saw, dude. Dick gets in the way and tries to kill all my momentum.
Oh, I successfully killed all your momentum.
I saw him giving you all the Tony arm flails out the window.
Move! He's just sitting
And then I was behind him.
Sandwiched. So I got a rear blinker out.
Two would you? Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I can smell Blaine's dumb cigarette from here. Pew! Not even on the same road and I can smell it. Stinky son of a... What are you doing? You can't hang. Oh, what a fool. He forgot to put it in four-wheel. Oh, lucky bastard. So satisfying. Hucking. What an amazing word and concept. Always someone in the way.
So if you have an opportunity, you might want to reach out to light the torch.
How dare you inconvenience me?
For having the biggest song of the week here in Odyssey. That being the safety of...
So much snow.
Oh my god. Hang on. Hang on, I gotta see it from the front. Jesus.
It's over your hood.
At least I attempted it.
Oh, it went straight on. Nice.
Did I at least almost?
Oh, not even close. That's hilarious. Yeah, that's well over waist height. That's hilarious. You stuck? Get it. The Dakota that could. Sick. I think Blaine is stuck. It's the only way. You gotta ram it. The Exploder needs some bigger and more aggressive tires. Make sure you floor it now. Just pissed.
Caked ass wheels.
Caked. Yeah, hit it again.
Trying to make it all the way through. Ready to go your way?
Sick window visors, bro.
Thanks. They've helped a lot since I put them on.
Any comments on that video?
Nope. Oh, you hating on them because you're a hater on window vents, even though they're the greatest thing ever?
No.
Are you gonna go? You're unhooked. Blast through that shit.
He's gotta get speed.
Oh. If you can even get out of it. Trash. Oh my god. Buy a Ford, they said. Put your ass into it. Rocket, what are you doing? First time? Runs us over. Oh. Manpower trumps. I bet you this Dodge with this Tommy or something can take it. And then you go, okay, alright, I guess he's gonna straight run it. I thought he was gonna try like blast fresh shit. Dun, 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 dun.
Go, 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 go!
The Exploder. Will it make it? That's a big no. Well, you got to give her some gas. Oh, the other two tires must be spinning. Oh, you came off. All right. Blaine is gonna be pissed. The face says he's so pissed. You got 3 tires going? Every time I see a stuck exploder, I just think of Jurassic Park.
Mom back.
Okay. Yeah, he didn't like that. Oh, truck. God, you're almost out, for God's sakes. Yeah, there we go. Hands are freezing. Brr.